Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up beautiful people out there, this is me Ashvircreations from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an autumn like photo manipulation in Photoshop. So before getting to the video, just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, loots, PNG and every kind of photo editing stuff. So go and check it out, that website. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Let's jump to the Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and open the photo which you want to get edited. Now the thing is I want an autumn theme. So I have just captured this kind of photo in outdoor. So you can just click some kind of pose or photograph anywhere, like on the hills or something like that area. Now let's select the photo by using the quick selection tool. Now just right click on it and select layer or copy option, or directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the duplication of the layer. So here we have made a duplication of the layer. Now let's add the background to the photograph. So we'll go to the file, click on open, and let's just browse the background, this autumn background. Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop over here. It is really very simple. Now just keep this somewhere over there, like the sun rays are falling on the sun. Let's just create a clipping mask on this subject layer and just pick the yellowish color. Make the strokes of the color. Change the blending mode to screen. So that it will look like, sun rays are actually falling from the back side. This will actually give the very perfect original sunlight look on the image. So here you can see the before and after effect. It is really looking way more original. Now the next thing would be to merge it with your background. First of all, go to the levels and just level it a little bit. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. And here also we will do the same thing. First of all, we will just clean the face of the subject. So select the channel mixture brush. Now just to make it some more adjustment on the skin tone, just to smudge it a little bit. Don't over smudge, only a little bit would be pretty much okay. That's it. Here we have almost done our process. Now the next thing would be to merge it with your background, and last but not the least, we will just give it a color look of loots to the image. To make it more cinematic, we will just add some loots on the image. So let's select this loot. So let's select this loot. This is actually really making a subject to look very cinematic and popping out the image. Yeah, still more thing is to before getting to the merging the background, we have forgotten to blur the edges of the subject. So select the blur tool and just make it to around 41% and just blur the edges of the image. Yes, this is very important, because this will actually merge your subject layer with the background, and it will create a very awesome and natural look on the image, and it will give a realistic touch on the image. So it is very much necessary that you should blur the edge of the subject layer which you have cut out, so that it will look like original, which is captured from the camera. So you have to just blur the edges anyhow. Whenever you do, just make sure that you have just blurred the edges. Also I will do on this area. So here we have almost done our process. Now just merge it with the background, and let's add some LUTs on the image. Let's select the cinematic LUTs. Merge it with the background. Even if you want to still just do something, you can still smudge the skin, some of the spots. That's it. Now just merge it with the background. Right click on it and select merge layers. So here you can see we have created an awesome, very realistic, like an autumn look with cinematic effect on the image. Let's crop image once again. So here you can see the before and after. It is really looking very cinematic. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, and every kind of photo editing stuff. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Yeah, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video.